Gupta, sir, through you, yes, Vivek Gupta, start. Sir, through you, I would like to raise an important issue today out here. Sir, that is the alleged move by the central government of trying to shift the T-board headquarters from Calcutta to Guwahati. Sir, as you know, tea is a traditional industry of Bengal. Tea is one of the industries which by an act of parliament,
I already called Vivek Gupta.
The genesis of the Tea Board of India dates back to 1903, when the Indian Tea Cess Bill was passed. The present Tea Board, set up under Section 4 of the Tea Act 1953, was constituted on 1st of April 1954. So since its inception, Tea Board has been located in Calcutta. But recently what we are seeing, sir, that the employees are being harassed. In batches they are being shifted to other offices. They are being made to wait compulsorily. There is a alleged move because a new political party has come to Assam and to try and benefit Guwahati. There is an alleged move to shift the Tea Board headquarters from Calcutta to Guwahati. Sir, I have full sympathies with Guwahati. Our heart goes out to Guwahati. But sir, it should not be done at the cost of Calcutta. We should not be made to suffer. Sir, Tea Board and tea are as good as Bengal as our hand is to our body. If you are taking the Tea Board headquarters from Calcutta, it means you are chopping away our hands. Sir, another point here, is this a part of a bigger design? Can be seen from the fact that both Calcutta Port Trust chairman and the Damodar Valley Corporation chairman are people who do not have Bengal, and all such big decisions, whether it is appointment of chairman or shifting of the Tea Board, is done without the consultation of the state government, without taking them into account the immense hardship that the state government will face and the other employees will face. Sir, I would also like to say, Bengal is not only just the headquarters of Tea Board, it is also the area where the port is. The auction houses have been here for centuries. Port, warehouses, a lot of infrastructure is created, a lot of jobs are there. Sir, the Tea Board is a headquarters, maybe a symbolic shift, but the downward problem will be tremendous on the industry and everybody else. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.